Zoe. Welcome to my channel. I post videos about art, advice, and adventure. Today's video, I'm going to go on a nature walk to just bring some peace of mind back to myself. I've been having a bit of a depressed couple days, so I would like to do something to try to just like bring up my energy, my mental health. So I'm gonna get changed and bundle up and get ready for my nature walk, and I'll bring you with me. All right, let's go. My first tip in terms of having a very enjoyable and successful nature walk is to just dress appropriately for the weather. It's like in the 20s outside today. It's February, it's very cold. So I'm gonna need a lot of layers. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna wear to give you an idea of like maybe how bundled you'll wanna be so that you can figure out what would work for you. So you wanna start off with the base layer. You wanna use things that are not cotton. Ideally, they would be like sweat wicking. I have some joggers that are nice stretchy material. They're pretty thin. I have a tank top. Next layer I'm gonna wear is also gonna be sweat wicking. You want this layer to also not be cotton. You want this one to be able to wick sweat away from you so that as you sweat outside, it doesn't just like hold on to your clothes and keep you cold. In fact, it'll like wick it away and like keep you dry and warm. My next layer on top of this is gonna be another non-cotton layer, ideally. Okay, I got my top layers on. Usually I choose between jeans or sweatpants as an additional top layer. So I think today I'm gonna wear a pair of jeans, but I'm gonna put some socks on before I get there. These are my favorite socks. They're by the brand Darn Tough. They are wool socks. Now it's time for the jeans. Okay, so I have the jeans on, got my top on. I'm gonna put my hiking boots on, and then I'm also gonna wear like a big puffy jacket. I think this one is like my warmest one right now. This is it. Layered up, nice and warm. So now I'm gonna just gather some things, supplies, and we'll head on our way to the park. Let's do it. All right, we're in my car. I've got my extra accessories, gloves, scarf, and hat. I'm gonna put those on when I get there though, because the sun is beaming into my car and I'm already sweating. So I'm gonna hit the road and I'll see you at the park. My second tip to be comfortable and enjoy a nature walk is to be prepared. Bring things that you know are gonna help make your time more enjoyable, and also just to be safe and, you know, like meet your needs. Bring water. I have 2 water bottles. I have 2 little snacks. I of course have like some books and some art supplies even. I have my sunscreen, which I'm gonna put on now. And I also keep pepper spray on my keychain, which I will bring with me as well. You wanna make sure that you're being safe. So there. Oh, don't forget your ears too. Those are real sensitive little babies. I'm gonna put a hat on because it's cold outside. Sunglasses on. Let's go. Made it to the park. Let's walk around and enjoy this beautiful day. sure to go slow, you know? The point is just to be here, outside. With the trees and the quiet. And to just breathe deep. Just be here, right now.
There were so many birds, and they were so loud. I couldn't quite figure out what they were doing, but I had to stop and watch for a while. It was just so cool. My last tip for enjoying a nature walk is to bring a journal with you. I always find that journaling in nature in a neutral, calm, quiet environment can aid in having more mental clarity and provide even more insight in my own thoughts, feelings, and needs. I also like to bring a book sometimes. I find that this is a really nice time to disconnect from technology and, remember how much I enjoy reading. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe for more videos every Sunday. And remember to take a deep breath. Go for a nature walk yourself and just enjoy the dead trees, enjoy the sun, and just